Dear students of class 10, it's for your benefit to watch the video and subscribe the channel. Otherwise, after lockdown, when the school will reopen, I will not work or do anything regarding to CBSE. Instead, I will choose ICSE for my benefit. That's all. Now, today I am going to describe you aerobic respiration. But before it, again I ask you to like the video and subscribe the channel. The subscribing the channel is for your benefit. You will get everything. If you will not subscribe the channel, you will not get everything. That's all. Now, aerobic respiration, I have already discussed that this type of respiration occurs in presence of oxygen. Without oxygen, the respiration that take place is an anaerobic respiration. Now, in human being, not only aerobic, both type of respiration occurs. Mainly, aerobic respiration occurs in human being, but in some cases, when in case of hard work, athletic game, etc., anaerobic respiration also occur. Now we are describing aerobic respiration. Its site is mitochondria. Whether does it take place? It occurs in mitochondria of the cell. Hence, in mitochondria is also called energy house of the cell or powerhouse of the cell. It is the cell organelle that produces energy. Hence, it can be termed as powerhouse or energy house of the cell. Products CO2 and H2, it is waste product, and the main product which you need is 38 ATP of energy per glucose molecule. Means one glucose molecule gives 38 ATP of energy. The reaction, this is digested food or glucose which is water soluble, is carried when into the cell by the blood. The first step take place in cytoplasm, which is called glycolysis. In glycolysis, the oxidation of glucose occurs. Means glucose oxidized into pyruvic acid or pyruvate. Keep in mind, this oxidation take place without oxygen, in absence of oxygen. Due to the glycolysis of glucose molecule, pyruvic acid or pyruvate is formed. This pyruvate then pass through biochemical reaction. Krebs cycle is not in your syllabus. It is beyond the scope of your syllabus. You will study Krebs cycle in higher classes. This in the mitochondria, this pyruvic acid then converted into carbon dioxide, water, and 38 ATP energy is produced. This energy is utilized ATP plus inorganic phosphate. In presence of energy ATP, and this ATP is stored. Some of the part of the energy produced during the respiration is immediately utilized by the body in movement of the muscles and other work, but most of the energy is stored in the form of ATP. ATP is converted into when we do work. This ADP is converted into ATP, converted into ADP, and energy is released, which is utilized in various life processes. Now, in case when a person is running, jumping, doing hard work, physical work, In that situation, anaerobic respiration occurs. That will I describe. Before it describing it, I am going to erase it. During aerobic respiration, we have already discussed that digested food, that is glucose molecule, is converted into pyruvic acid or pyruvate by the process of glycolysis in cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, glycolysis occurs where oxidation of glucose is produces pyruvate. The pyruvate then converted into carbon dioxide, water, and 38 ATP of energy is produced. But the complete oxidation of glucose, or that is glycolysis, is depend upon the presence of oxygen in the cell. If there is less oxygen, if there is more oxygen, then the complete food is oxidized to produce carbon dioxide, water, and 38 ATP of energy per glucose molecule. But if there is insufficient oxygen or there is absence of oxygen, then either alcohol, that is ethanol, ethyl alcohol, or lactic acid is produced. Now we will study anaerobic respiration in next video.